Can't I get my money out of Webull? Why can't I get my money off Webull? So that's a common question that some users of the platform do ask, the problem that they do encounter while using the platform. So in this video, just going to look at some of the reasons why you might not be able to get your money out of Webull. As we know, Webull is a stock trading platform. You can trade stocks, options, cryptos, and stuff. You can put money in, buy stocks, and later want to take that money out. But sometimes users get stuck trying to withdraw their money. So here are some reasons why you might not be able to get your money out. One of the reasons might be it needs time to settle. If you just sold stocks, you have to wait 1 or 2 days for the money to settle so that you can cash it out. It's 1 or 2 business days that you need to wait before that money can settle so that you can withdraw it. Wrong bank info. Sometimes you might have your bank account not properly linked to your Webull account, so they will not be able to send the money. Then if you just added a new bank, Webull might freeze withdrawals just for a few days to verify that it's really you. So if you do some account changes, especially changing your bank and the sort, then Webull also wants to see that it's really you. It's not somebody who has just hacked your account. Then another reason might be currency mismatch. If your money is in USD but you're trying to withdraw in, for example, Australian dollar or another currency, you might need to convert it first before you are able to withdraw it. So that might be another reason why you are not able to withdraw your cash. Another reason is margin account rules. If you are using borrowed money to trade, which is called margin trading, Webull might block withdrawals until you pay it back. So if you are having a margin account, you can't just sell everything and just run away. Webull needs you to make sure that you have paid back the money that they loaned you. Then if you just added money via a bank transfer, it can take a few days before you're allowed to take it out again. So you probably deposited some money into your trading account, then you realize maybe I want to pull my money out of the account. You cannot just do that in an instant. You need to wait a few days before you can do that. Then just remember, people do complain about customer service. Sometimes they say they have to wait weeks and days when they are trying to get their withdrawal challenges solved by Webull. So it's something that you just have to bear with. Then how some users also fixed the issues was relinking their bank accounts. If you are struggling to move money out of your Webull account, you can delink your account, then try to link it again. For some people, it actually worked. So if you are trying to take out huge figures, for example, $25,000 or more, try to break it up into smaller chunks so that you avoid withdrawal problems, and only withdraw to your own bank. Webull won't let you send money to someone else's account even if you try.